Hi, babe.
I was just completely in awe. What was her most helpful note? It was a lot about Emma's character, and it was about making sure that Emma's character
Wake up.
sometimes should always be fighting because there's a reason and never cool just because. And of course, Oprah isn't.
I love you, baby.
Her insights into why she would be doing those so movies. By the way, thank you.
Are you up now, babe?
The movie is a lot about issues of inequity in the workplace and diversity, but it's really a funny movie. It's a movie that you can take your whole family to. It's a workplace comedy.
Wait, stop.
No, you remember that day? You remember that prank you did on me? Huh? I told you to stop. Remember? Remember? Mom have to dash all this water on him right now. See, I gave you the courtesy of moving your phone before I did it. I'm about to wet your whole life up. Look at his face. I'm done, y'all. Look at his face. He looks scary. Are you wet enough? Huh? Huh? That was that face. Don't look at me like that. Look at that face.
Yo, move.
Bro, y'all, he just threw the whole fan and broke it. You see how violent he is? You lucky that fan didn't touch me. Are you giving me the finger? Okay, no. Put it down. Put it down right now. Babe, I'm trying to get you refreshed. Y'all see him throwing stuff at me? Y'all, he done broke this fan. He gonna need a new one. Oh, no, it go back together. I think it just latched it back together. Woo! 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 Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Baby? Babe. Babe, you okay? Babe. Baby. Babe. Babe. Ooh, wait. Babe. Who cleaned that up? Oh my gosh. I took it too far. Yo, he done threw the damn dresser at me. I can't even get out. He got Dorito chips everywhere. He just... Babe, we ain't got no vacuum. Okay, let me go check on my boo-boo. He didn't take his keys, so that means he didn't leave. Uh-oh. Oh gosh, where did he go? I'm scared. Oh, did you see Javaughn?
Yeah, you went over there.
Where?
The all the way downstairs.
Okay. I feel like he's trying to get me somewhere. Babe. Guys, this maniac. Babe, what is your problem? Picking up dresses and shit.
Man, move, man.
Huh? Where you going? No, he gonna try to lock me over here. Babe, open the door. Open the door. Okay, I got your car in here. Now, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm gonna break your phone. That's what I'm gonna do.
No, you're not.
Can you go upstairs?
Why? Babe, you threw a whole dresser at me. This man is crazy. Babe, it was a prank. Mm-mm. No, where you going? Okay, you know what? Guys, look at this. Did y'all see how he just slung me across the room? He cleaned this up. I'm not cleaning this up. Look at this. He destroyed the room. He took it way too far. Yo, I didn't do this much.
Need plumbing repair? Don't let it ruin your whole day. We're there when you can be there. Call John. Get more, stress less.
Guys. Y'all, he is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is a lie. I'm supposed to take it this serious. And look, he threw the dresser. Okay, this dresser goes right here. He threw the whole dresser. Jeez. Okay, let me mute the TV or something. Because, yeah. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna end this video here because he's mad. So now I gotta go try to find him. He then took his keys and stuff, so he left the building. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this prank video here. Comment Team Javaughn in the comment section below. This is my revenge water prank on Javaughn. Since he want to prank me with a water gun, I'm gonna prank him. Okay. So yeah, guys, see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, comment in the comment section below. Also subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for each and every time we post a video. You will be notified directly. So yeah, guys, love y'all.